Welcome to this Fixit channel, and today we're taking a look at a new version of Google Chrome. Chrome 64 has been released, so this is very interesting. The updates to these browsers are now really quick, and basically we have new versions of browsers every couple of months, or even sometimes almost every month. So check it out. If you don't know if you're at the latest version or not, simply go in the upper right corner, three little dots, go into Help, go into About Google Chrome, and you should see it update. If you're not updated to the last version, it's going to auto update, or else it might have auto updated by itself. So Chrome 64 released yesterday, January the 24th, has a certain numbers of new features and lots of bug fixes and security fixes. So it's worth upgrading, if not for the features, at least for the security fixes in there. What do we have in some of the features? Well, the first thing is the security feature that I want to talk about. The fact that it is now protecting you against the Spectre and Meltdown security flaws for the processors. It does so by disabling the shared array buffer feature that will mitigate against the attacks. And so even if you don't have the fixes on your system for Spectre or Meltdown, at least you have some form of protection through the browser. Now Chrome 64 is the first version that has these fixes, so I think that's also a very good reason to move on to 64 as soon as you can. There's a lot of security fixes also, a lot of little things that were fixed here and there from security vulnerabilities that were found within the browser at Chrome 63. Also, on Chrome 63, we talked about a feature that when you right-click a tab or a site, you can mute site or mute tab. Now, the problem with that feature is that it was a one-time thing, meaning if you mute a site or mute a tab, it muted for now, but if you came back, it was to do it again. You had to mute it again in order for it to stay muted, which means every time you visit the site, you had to redo it. Now, when you actually mute a tab or a site, it's permanent, meaning you go to a website, there's autoplay videos, you mute it. Every time you go there, you'll not have to do it again. They're always going to stay muted as long as you don't give it the possibility to unmute it. So, there's a lot of websites, unfortunately, that have these really sad and really, I hate it. I hate autoplay video. It's something that's very annoying, and most people don't like it also. Another feature of Chrome 64, by the way, is they're starting the rollout of the new ad blocking feature. When a website has annoying ads, like annoying pop-ups, or those ads that take over the whole page and simply block half or the majority of the content, well, they're not going to be displayed anymore. It's a way for Chrome to try to kind of have a better way of doing ads for websites. So a lot of websites will have to actually fix this. And I'm wondering, because I'm looking at the Computer World website it's one of those websites that has some of those really annoying ads. And I'm looking at the white blank spot here at the top, and I'm wondering if it's, Google Chrome doing this, or there's something on the site. But anyways, if you go on websites that have annoying ads, there starts to have the new ad block feature is rolling out in this version 64. Apart from that, if you're on Windows 10 Fall Creators Update and you have a compatible graphics adapter and TV or monitor, iDynamic Range Video Playback is available through Chrome in version 64, but only on Fall Creators Update. So you got to be on Windows 10 Fall Creators Update to have that available. It's not going to work on Windows 7 or 8. Really, Windows 10 and the Fall Creators Update, it has to be there, or else it's not going to work. Apart from that, for the speed of the websites and everything, they're not talking about improved speed or anything. They often are, talking about the different, speeds and how, the websites are faster or anything. There's really nothing more there. I think it's just tweaking of the security, tweaking of the website a little bit. Seems to be fast enough, for sure. I haven't had any crashes, any bugs, so it seems to be a pretty stable version. So check it out. And if you don't really care for the features, at least upgrade for the security that it will actually give you to make sure that you're safe. Enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.